This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. So today we're going to stay on the energy theme. We are going to look at the big oil ETF, XLE, and the gasoline ETF, UGA. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have XLE. Basically, this is an ETF of all the big oil companies, okay? I've done this one in the past here many times. It's Exxon and Chevron and Mobil and Schlumberger, and the whole 9 yards is right in this ETF. So this is a really good way to trade big oil. And it pays a dividend of 3.68%. All right, let's take a look here at the charts. Now, here's your daily chart, okay? So I'm just gonna big this up a little bit here. So what we wanna do is we wanna look at your support levels right here, okay? So we wanna look at your 8 SMA here, that's 87.69, and then your 21 SMA sitting at 87.63. Now, again, if that's lost, then we just keep on coming down to these candles right at the bottom of the candle. So you got 87.15 here, okay? We have 86.84, and then we can look at this candle right here. You're looking at 86.50, and then we have 85.87, and then your big support level here is going to be 84.80. That's your 200 SMA here, and then your retest of your price channel is 84.60, and then right below is 84.14. Now, as long as it can stay above all this, then we start looking to the upside. So what you want to do then is look at this top of this candle here. So you're looking at 88.67. Then we have 88.92. You have 89.53. And then your big retest up here is 90. Now, if you can get above that 90, okay, then what we do is we come looking all the way over here to these candles here, okay? So then what you have is you have 90.67, and then we look here, you have 91.57, and then your big retest up here is 93.15, okay? The key is going to be a break and close above that 90. That is going to be very, very key on the upside, and on the downside, it needs to hold this 8 SMA here and your 21 SMA here. Otherwise, you can retest your 200-day and this price channel very easily. But this is a good, easy way to trade the big oil. Okay, now here, if you look on a weekly chart here, this is actually looking really good here. So again, if you can get above that 90, then your target there is 93.15. And then what you have is your big target is 94.71. Above that, you got blue sky. You're going right to 100. Very, very easy. Now, if you look at this pattern here, your 8-day is above, is cross-straddling over. Your 21 there is looking really good here. So you're above all these key SMAs here. The key is going to be that $90 mark, and then you can just work yourself all the way on up here to the 93.15 and your 94.71. All right, let's take a look here at the gasoline ETF UGA. Okay, this is another one that I always bring up on the charts here because, you know, gasoline, it's not going anywhere. I get the whole electric vehicle thing, I get all that, but this is going to take a long time to shake out. And I always said, basically, bottom line with EVs and fossil fuels, bottom line is going to be no different than like the VHS tape and a beta tape. People will decide exactly what you want, okay? But you know, when it takes over 100 million barrels a day to run the world, you got to figure out a way on how you're going to replace that, okay? So let's just look at the chart. This is gasoline ETF. So let's just big this up a little bit. Okay, so on the downside, you want to look at this 8 SMA here, sitting at 70.85. And then again, if that's lost, you can come over to this candle right here. You're looking at 69.86 here. And then we have your retest here at 68.84. That's your downside. Now, on your upside, you want to look at that 21 SMA. That's sitting at 71.25. If you can get above, then we just look to this candle here. You're looking at 72.94. You have, what is this here? This is, you're sitting at 73. And then we have 73.82. And your retest up here is 75.43. Okay? So when you look at a weekly chart here, you look at the price channels, okay, you have everything going on the way it should be, okay? So you had a nice trading range here, and then she broke right on up. Now look at your 8 SMA here. See? Very, very nice. Your 21-day, your 50-day, everything is curling up. The key is going to be a break above that 75.43. And then what you can do, you could head to this mark right here at 80.29. And then again, above this, well, there's blue sky. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely going to go higher. So on the downside, watch that 8 SMA here, watch your 21-day, and watch your 50-day. These are all very, very key levels here. But realistically, on the shorter term, look at your daily chart. That 8-day is going to be very key, and your price channel is going to be key. If that's lost, then we come right down to 67, 63. That's your 50 SMA here. But on the upside, watch that 21-day, close above, then you can head right towards this retest at 75.43. All right, thanks for watching.